Welcome to Healthy Wednesdays. Today I'm going to show you a dish that was passed down from my grandmother to my mother to me, but there's probably a version of this all throughout the Mediterranean. What it is, it's fresh string beans that we cut like this, fresh tomatoes. I like to use a mix of aromatics. We have shallot, red onion, leek, and what I have here is hot chili pepper. Anybody that has seen any of my posts before where I talk about food, I love everything hot. The smaller they are, the hotter they are usually. Now I'm going to add very little oil into the pan. Then we put the aromatics in. The shallot. Let that cook for a while. So I'll put the hot pepper. And then I'll add the garlic. And I'm going to let that cook for about 1 minute. Usually you can tell by the smell. I buy canned tomatoes, put them in a nice tray, and then I make little cubes. This way I can just quickly add it, we microwave it, defrost it, and then quickly add it. And I need to have a little bit more of sauce. Add the tomatoes. We drain the string beans. They're cooked. It took maybe about 15 minutes. But there you have a little bit of a bite, but softer than I would probably otherwise make it. The beans are ready. I moved it to a bigger pot because I had more beans than I thought. And now it's ready to taste. That is so good. And the reason I call it Healthy Wednesdays is not just because it needs so little oil. Really low calorie and really healthy. Thank you for joining me.